64 pin LGA device. It is a module that is used in a high performance application, so it uses a special short pogo pin which is 1 millimeter test height and has a 60 gigahertz bandwidth. The self-inductance is very low, 0.17 nanohenry, and the operating temperature is -40 to +120 C. It can handle a 2 amp continuous current. To use the socket is mounted onto the target board using the mounting holes. Place the device inside the socket. The lid has a special compression mechanism and has alignment pins. So place the lid and apply the pressure and lock it in. Now the device is compressed onto the board and ready to be tested for high performance application. Thank you.